Hey there, my name's Haley. Welcome back to another Biteable tutorial. Today, we're talking about using icebreaker games to create a positive bond between your team. I'll give you my top 3 icebreakers and show you how to level up your getting to know you games with video. The first day on the job or with a new team is always a bit tricky. A bad icebreaker game can exasperate that first day awkwardness, but a good one can create solid new friendships in no time. So repeat after me. No more bad icebreaker games. We're here to show you how fun icebreaker games can be. If you're new to the management game, you might be wondering why the heck people still bother with icebreakers. Well, we know that teams work better if they form strong connections with each other. We also know there are 3 key components in creating solid relationships between people: proximity, similarity, and disclosure. Proximity you're already creating by pulling your team into meetings and organizing team bonding activities. And similarity and disclosure you can facilitate with icebreaker games that you ask your team to share about themselves and find common ground. The first game on the must-play list is speed dating. This is the quickest way to make sure everyone speaks to everyone. Set up 2 rows of chairs facing each other, or if your team is remote, schedule rapid-fire breakout rooms for duos. Give each duo 1 minute to chat about a prompt. Try easy questions like dog or cat, person, or what's your favorite food. At the end of the time, swap duos. An easy way to keep track is to do a countdown video that also shows new questions for each round. By the end of the game, everyone will be on speaking terms, and then it's time to move into juicier games. My second recommendation is Getting to Know You Bingo. This one works better in person and requires a little bit of prep. Set up a few bingo templates and fill them in with facts you already know about your team members. It's a simple game, but it encourages easy disclosure as your team goes around trying to uncover facts that give them the bingo win. My final recommendation is Jackbox.tv games. Jackbox.tv games are perfect for some good old-fashioned fun with in-person remote teams. They're a series of quick, funny games you can play with up to 8 people, and all they need are their phones. And to spice up your next team meeting, compile a hilarious video recap of your Jackbox.tv session. We're going to start off by editing this Zoom game video template here, so I'm going to scroll down on the template page and click Edit Video Now. We're going to be making a video invite to invite our team to our Jackbox team bonding session. So once the video loads, we'll be able to start customizing the text and the colors within this video to really make it suit our purpose. So we're going to go ahead and start off by changing this text from Zoom scavenger hunt to reflect our Jackbox team bonding night. And then we'll go ahead and continue editing this text with a bit of instructions like how they'll be able to join this team bonding and when it will be hosted. So in this case, it'll be a Zoom meeting on Wednesday at 7 p.m. And then I can just rearrange this text on my screen so it fits a bit nicer. We'll just make that a bit longer there. And we'll write in a little bit more information about our game night. And I don't need this text box, so I'm just going to delete it. And then you can use the control panel on the right-hand side to change the color of your text, so I'm going to update this one to white. Instead of a scavenger hunt list, I'm going to write out a few of the games that we'll be playing, a few of my favorite Jackbox games. And as you can see on the right, we can also change the colors of any of these animations if we would like to change them to suit our brand colors a bit better. So now we're coming up on the end of our video here. I'm going to write the date and time again so people know when they can join in. And then this will be my call to action. So I'm going to ask people to respond in our Zoom Games channel to let me know who's going to be coming. And then I can use these scene transitions to either change the transitions, but we've already got scene transitions and an audio track added in since this was a template. And once we're ready to share our video, we can head on over to this Export tab and click Build Video. bonding doesn't have to be boring. Do your team a favor and browse the Biteable template library of icebreaker ideas and video templates today. Follow, like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this. Bye!